just was about to go out for a longer ride, discovered I had a flat in the rear. Must have had a slow leak from a previous ride that I didn't notice. I swapped out the rear tire from the bumpier, grippier Hurricane Ridge 42s from Rene Herse to the other Rene Herses I have, which are these Barlow Pass. They're a lot smoother. Let's deflate this guy. Get one lip over. Release it. Get this lip over. There we go, we got two. Keep this one here. Every time. There we go. Out. So this tube should be fine, so I'm going to keep it. Always good just to have a run through, check for any debris along the rim tape. There's no arrows on these tires, so I'm not 100% sure if they even have a real rolling direction. Probably a pretty minor thing if so. But I'd like to just be consistent with the front and back at least. .35 to 43s, and these are 38s. So perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right. Now the stuffing game begins. I usually put a little more air in this tube, but I think I'll be okay. This is stupid. Take these gloves off. I had those on for putting the rear wheel on because of all the chain grease. Always end up with some kind of a twist here. It's not great. Should I redo this? Should I redo it? I feel like it'll just come out in the wash. We'll find out. Put this one up to around 55 or so. Hello. Oh, that's not good. That's not good at all. Maybe that was the twisted area. See right there, this little bit just popped out. It's like a big fat bulge right around the valve, and it does not want to let the edge of this tube seat properly. Maybe it's worth switching tubes. These cheap Mountain Equipment Co-op tubes, they're pretty much garbage. So 700 35 to 50C Presta valve tube that I picked up a little while ago. Was hoping not to have to use it today, but I was finding this Mountain Equipment Co-op tube right here, which I had already had from my previous tire on the same wheel, just wasn't seating properly. The little area around the valve, I don't know how clearly you can see this, which kind of reinforces it, is very fat on the Mountain Equipment Co-op tire. It's like a good 50% wider diameter than the same part on the PV tube. And what was happening was that that fat bit is pushing the lip of the tire over the rim. So feed the valve through. Yeah, I mean, I can still feel that thickened part around the valve, but I don't think it's going to be as bad as the previous one. Can we get this to seat? Come on. All right, I'm gonna start here, work my way around, and hopefully the tension will just pull it in. Guess we'll find out. There we go. Love that pop. Ooh. Snap, crackle, pop. Okay, let's look. Yeah, that looks a lot better. It's way better than the first time. Probably some user error there, but I really think that those MEC tubes are maybe good in a pinch, no pun intended, but no, not my preference at all. All right, let's get rolling.